Deep in the clouds and mist of southeastern Qinghai, Nyangpo Yute rises like a vast lotus throne, standing between heaven and earth. This sacred mountain, whose main peak reaches 5,369 meters, is not only a holy place in the hearts of Tibetan people, but also the beating pulse of life across the entire plateau. Its glaciers, holding the memories of the Yellow River's source, and hundreds of highland lakes, glitter like scattered turquoise, sitting like jewels in its embrace. In the early morning haze, a figure in the crimson monk's robe appears on the mountain path. He is Zhu Jashi Sangha, a name that means auspicious garden in Tibetan. He holds a doctorate in Tibetan studies and the Kempo, a Bayo monastery in Juji County. People more readily call him the Bird Lama.
年宝也在是我的故乡，在我的童年记忆里，故乡是一个美丽的湖泊。我和简姐常常在湖边玩啊，每次都是比赛，看看谁能认出更多的鸟类呀什么的。也是从那时候回去，就算是和他们结缘了。
From watching bears as a child, to pen them, and then to protect them, he set out on a path of ecological conservation in the core area of Nyangpo Yute. Jashi Sangha said, this has been his lifelong practice.
Four, 这些都成年了，需要帮助的那些都在那个悬崖上面，能看到翅膀。看哦，再等一等。我已经老了，走得慢，这个山太高了。
Lately, around noon, Jashi Sangha always hears the urgent calls of young vultures from the cliff. The cries come one after another, make him restless. He knows this is the most critical period before the young birds learn to fly, and the biggest challenge right now is finding enough food.
야, 쪽지. 야, 따영. 날긴 톤치가로. 초롱아. 샤즈 체리 톤치로. 다 줘서 럭책다오. 다 줘. 딱하니 중아 용지다 줘 파르트. 좀 퍼스모지. 저 한남 나지다 버리. 남카즈니 스튼타 칸소즈니 아마라티 다오지레고.
That's not a choice. That's a response. Jashi Sangha describes his decision to risk climbing to feed them. In his view, it is both a response to nature's call and another form of spiritual practice.
알아. 더 대란티 날 고쳐나 소이 고트그 parlene so dar gotrug lak chiri parla ta terang dare dawa tipi nikhni ra gotrug li ho na dare timchun karo jam khere me kama par sar so za ta chere go ta purde go mo tak go ni parla dangla lak chig go su do da sama men sar go 啊。
Jashi Sanga's guardianship extends beyond the mountains and wilds. To help villagers recognize and grow close to these neighbors from nature, he picks up a brush and paints the images of wild animals such as snow leopards, Tibetan foxes, and black-necked cranes on the monastery's brick walls, door beams, and the eaves of its scripture halls. These lifelike murals have become the most vivid textbooks. Devotees pass through the monastery each day, and with a lift of the eyes, they see these living beings alongside Buddha statues and scriptures. Jashi Sangha believes that when what we seek to protect is no longer just a distant name, but it becomes a vivid presence before one's eye during daily chanting of sutras and the Buddha's name, reverence and compassion will naturally take root and grow. This miniature world upon the wall is another sanctuary he has built for wildlife. In Jashi Sangha's ecological diary, besides the birds and beasts he sees every day, there are also blue blossoms swaying in the wind, the Juji blue poppy. This rare plant, found only on the Glog Plateau at elevations of 3,800 to 4,800 meters, has fewer than 5,000 individuals remaining in the wild, and is listed as endangered in the Red List of China's biodiversity.
去年我们记录了整整200朵花，最后收获了37颗成熟的种子，在4800米的海拔上，每一株能开花的绿绒蒿都是奇迹。有人问我为什么要在这些花花草草上费那么多的时间呀？我想，如果连最适应这个高原的植物，这个绿绒蒿都消失了，那我们的人类又该如何在这里继续生活下去？
Standing at the snow line of Nyampo Yuta, Jashi Sangha often gazes eastward. He knows every drop of meltwater from here will flow into the Yellow River and become the source that nourishes countless lives downstream. He explained this connection through the Buddhist notion of cause and effect. The good causes we plant here will bear good fruit far away. Protecting the source is protecting the life of the entire river.